Alright my friends, in the last video we have set up our routes as well as we have did some routing stuff here inside our application. And if you remember that I have told you here we have to make the path slash users slash the username in order for us to access any user profile from the Unsplash API. Once again, that wasn't my rule. It's the rule of the Unsplash API. We have to say we have to make a GET request to slash users slash we need to give them the username, and they will return for us the profile for that specific user. So just quick, this is a note for the previous video. However, now inside we have defined a route that will, once it's gonna detect the URL, that will read slash users slash a username, then it's gonna load the user info. But we want to make it once the user click on this link right here, which is the username, or this one, yeah, I think it is this one right here, yeah, this one right here, because let me show you here in the final result. Here, once the user click on the name, not here but here, once he click here, we are gonna navigate him to a different screen. Feel free to add the link wherever you want. In my case, I'm just gonna add it right here, because this button right here will give us to the original profile for the user, but this one right here will take the user to our version of the profile for this photographer. So let's go ahead, and first of all, here on the top I have to import the link, all right, from React Router DOM. So from React Router DOM like this, and here I'm just gonna this pair right here, I'm just gonna turn it to a link. All right, so link like this, because I want to take the user to a different page, let's say, or not a page, different screen, whatever, and the path should say to, and here we are gonna apply dynamic value. All right, and in order for us to apply dynamic value, I'm gonna first of all surround this with the brackets, and here I'm just gonna use this backticks, and here what I'm gonna say slash users slash then the username, and once again we can access the username by setting, I'm just gonna apply dynamic value photo.user.username. This will give us the username for any specific user, and let me show you that here. So I'm gonna click on inspect the console. We have this array. I'm gonna expand one of these objects. All right, here we have the user. I'm gonna expand it, and as you can see we have the username right here, which gonna return for me the username. All right, so we have turned the username here to link, and the path will say slash users slash the username, and we have defined a route that will wait for something like this. So that should work now. Here we have the name. All right, I'm gonna click on it, and as you can see we got users as well. We have changed the URL. Pretty straightforward. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, in this video we have made our route works, all right, by turning the name or the name to a link that will take us to the screen where we are going to display the specific or the details user information. So that should do the job. In the next video we are gonna focus on this user page. We will see what we can do to make a request, and how we can access these informations. Thank you my friends so much for watching. See you in the next one.